For prospective students at IUT, welcome to the 2024 IUT entrance examination. We prepared this video to guide you through the written exam procedure.
First, we will talk about timetable of the examination. As you can see here on the slides, May 4th, Saturday, will be examination day for Soci applicants. Soci 1 applicants should arrive to the examination hall by 9:30 a.m. The examination will start at 10:20 and will proceed until 11:20 a.m. Soci's 2 applicants should arrive to the examination hall by 11:30 a.m. The examination will start at 1:10 and will proceed until 2:10 p.m.
May 5th, Sunday, applicants for SBL will see the examination. SBL applicants should arrive to the examination hall by 10:30 a.m. The examination will start at 11:20 and will proceed until 12:20 p.m. Now the preparation guide will begin. You should have identification cards or passport with yourself. Things you must keep in mind. Associate contract, you will have the exams on 2 subjects, mathematics 21 questions and physics 9 questions for an hour. SBL contract, you will have the exams only 1 subject, mathematics 30 questions for an hour. There will be no extra time for marking answers on the OMR card answer sheet, and that you should mark the answers within the given time. There is only 1 correct answer per each question. No penalty point is applied to an incorrect answer. There will be no break time during the exam. You're not allowed to leave the exam hall during the exam. Things you must obey before, during, and after the exam. You must follow every instruction given by the exam headquarters and proctors. Only use the pen given by in her university. Do not commit any form of cheating, misbehavior, or suspicious behaviors. Any portable electronic devices, that is smartphone, watch, calculator, tab, are not allowed to bring into the exam hall. If you have any questions, raise your hand. Never call the proctor loudly for any reason. Once the exam starts, the exam paper and OMR cards should not be replaced. You cannot use the bathroom during the exam. When the proctor says time is up, stop and raise your both hands on your head. You can see the actual OMR answer sheets for Soci's applicants on this slide, and I will explain how you should fill in the information and answers. You can find your application number on the desk label. Check and find out the type of your examination paper first. You can find your test type in the upper left of the exam paper cover page. Fill in all the entries on the left side of OMR answer sheet. Surname, given name, department, application number. For example, for surname you can write Dean, for given name James, department Socials, test type B, application number 10235. After you write your application number, you should mark the numbers below accordingly. And below the application part, there are 2 boxes saying absence from examination and proctor signature. You should not mark there. Please leave them empty. On the right side of the OMR answer sheet, you should mark the answers for the questions from 1 to 30 only. Please do not mark rest of the answer sheet. You can see the actual OMR answer sheet for SBL applicants on these slides, and I'll explain how you should fill in the informations and answers. You can find your application number on the desk label. Check and find out the type of your examination paper first. You can find your test type in the upper left of the exam paper cover page. As I mentioned on the previous slides, you should fill in all the entries on the left side of OMR answer sheet. Surname, given name, department, application number. For example, for surname, you can write Dean, for given name James, department SBL, test type B, application number 10010. After you write your application number, you should mark the numbers below accordingly. And below the application parts, there are two boxes saying absence from examination and proctor signature. You should not mark there. Please leave them empty. On the right side of the OMR answer sheet, you should mark the answers for the questions from 1 to 30 only. Please do not mark rest of the answer sheet. OMR card answer sheet. Check and find out the type of your examination paper first. You can find your test type in the upper left of the exam paper cover page. Write down on your OMR cards the same type as that of your examination paper so that your OMR cards and your examination paper will be matched for each other as a pair. Fill out the left side of OMR cards with your personal information such as your SAR and given name, registration number, and the department name, SOCI, or SPL you apply for. You must mark only one answer choice per each question on the OMR card. If you need correction tape, raise your hand. Never call the proctor. Thank you for watching this video. Do your best and good luck on your exams.
Dear students, from now on I will be explaining to you how to use your answer sheet and how to remove 3 ceilings from your examination paper. As you can see, you have the answer sheet, examination paper, and 2 pens, black and red. With a black pen, fill out the left part of your answer sheet, surname, given name, and department. You can find your test type on the left upper part of examination paper. In my case, it is B type, so I will mark letter B. Then you should write your application number here. After, you have to fill it accordingly. So now we are done with the left part. You can start transferring your answers from examination paper to the answer sheet right here. However, make sure that you will not be given any extra time to transfer your answers, so you should do it during the given time. Now, make sure that you fill out the down part of your examination paper right here. So the department is SOCI, application number, passport number, surname, and given name. And now with a red pen, we will remove 3 ceilings from the examination paper. We will take a pen and put it on the paper here and slide it very fast. The same here and here. Now you're done. You can start your examination. Good luck.